So what is the Lectric XP walk mode? When would you use it? You know, what is it good for? How do you activate it? So first of all, the bike has to be on. And you activate walk mode by just pressing and holding the minus sign. So when would you use walk mode? In my mind, let's say you get a flat tire and you don't want to put all your weight on the bike because you might damage a wheel. That would be a situation where you can get off the bike and power it using walk mode to get your bike to your vehicle or you know, to somewhere where you can fix the flat. But as I'm going to show you here, it can be pretty dangerous if you're not already walking. If you just hit the walk mode, the bike's going to lurch forward uncontrollably almost. It's pretty crazy how violently it lurches forward. See, so if you don't want to activate walk mode from a standstill, you want to kind of start walking it and then activate walk mode. And even then it's pretty quick. I mean, you're seeing I'm having to walk like at 3 miles an hour to keep up with it. So yeah, the high speed that this is calibrated at, you can see it says walk there. So yeah, the high speed that it's calibrated at makes it a little bit dangerous. You know, a more normal walking pace would be something like 2.5 miles per hour. Walk mode makes you go something like 3.5, 4 miles an hour. You're almost doing a jog. And another problem is that you often will turn on the lights. To turn on the lights on the Lectric XP 3.0, you hold the plus sign. See there, it says, you can see here, it says manual and the light. I don't know why it says manual, but that's what happens when you turn the lights on. So you use the plus signal for that. So when you're first learning how to use the bike, you might be turning on the lights, sitting on the bike, and you accidentally hit the minus sign. And instead of getting the lights on, you're going to get this walk mode activated and you're just going to lurch forward. But yeah, so like I said, limited use. I mean, I can think of, you know, using it when you get a flat and you want to, you know, help move the bike along to a safe spot. Initially, I thought maybe you could use this to ride the bike up a ramp onto the back of a truck, but because of how fast it's calibrated, I wouldn't do that. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing to help support this channel.